Per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, or PFAS, are a large group of man-made chemicals formed with a long carbon chain with lots of fluorine attached to it to capitalize on fluorine's resistance to forming bonds, and since their discovery in the 1930s have been used widely in manufacturing and industry. Products that PFAS can be frequently found in include, but not limited to, firefighting foams, Teflon and similar products, shampoo, carpeting, medical devices, sparkling water, dental floss, cosmetic makeups including lipstick, nail polish, and eye makeup, and water-resistant fabrics. The issue is that PFAS have been correlatively linked to several chronic health problems, and nearly all Americans have some PFAS in their bloodstream, with an emphasis on U.S. military service members, which is currently understood due to the Department of Defense having conducted a somewhat extensive survey of military installations' groundwater. In 2016, the Environmental Protection Agency issued a lifetime health advisory for two of the more common PFAS. The advisory was set at 70 parts per trillion. Upon the testing in the following year at Joint Base San Antonio in Texas, the DoD found that of the 20 sites tested on base, 14 were contaminated above the EPA limits, ranging from 83 parts per trillion to 680,000 parts per trillion. And according to a statement provided by the Environmental Working Group, which is a nonprofit environmental advocacy and research organization, tests of tap water, military bases, and industrial sites have found PFAS contamination in more than 712 locations in 49 states. Drinking water for up to 110 million Americans may be contaminated with PFAS. That's nearly 1/3 of all Americans. As for health effects, there have been correlative evidence showing a link between PFAS exposure to lower immune system, fertility issues, lower birth weight, lowered metabolism, obesity, and cancers, and many more due to DNA alterations caused by PFAS in the human body. As of right now, the EPA suggests asking your water provider if they have detected PFAS in their systems, and if you're not comfortable with the answers, to consider using alternate water sources for drinking, preparing food, cooking, brushing teeth, preparing baby formula, and any other activity when your family might swallow water. There is ongoing research into the effects of PFAS as we are finding them now in new locations, like freshwater and soils. These are my sources, and thank you for your time.